Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. We finally have our first real video hands-on of Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is it. We also have a major news regarding Samsung's drastic decision for 2025. We'll talk about it, but first, let's take a look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra in action. This video was first posted on Reddit and it was further triple confirmed on Twitter by notable leaksters that this is indeed the S25 Ultra, not a fake video or anything. So as you can see, in real life, the S25 Ultra still looks pretty boxy, of course, now with more comfortable rounded edges. The display is also pretty flat with just a slight tiny bit curve to it. We've got the punch hole in the middle, so no under display camera for Samsung flagship phone in 2025. Volume rocker and power button can be seen on the right side of the phone, and on the back we have once again 4 camera sensors, wide dual telephoto lenses, and of course the ultra wide angle lens. Now if you notice the UI that is on the S25 Ultra, especially the battery icon, you can pretty much tell that this is indeed the next gen One UI 7.0 running on board. I have to say the most notable change on the S25 Ultra, apart from its rounded edges, it does appear to be noticeably thinner compared to the S24 Ultra. It's also going to be lighter while packing the S Pen, beating out some of the top-end flagships in this price range. Also, breaking news, Samsung had fired their senior executives. Yes, according to Korean media, Samsung has informed several of their senior executives that they are fired. One of the reasons behind this is believed to be Samsung's poor performance when it comes to the semiconductor chipset game is concerned. As we know, the Dream Exynos chip failed to live to its hype, which is why we're not gonna see it inside the S25 series. In fact, all Galaxy S25 series models in all markets will be using the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. While this is a great news for customers, it's heartbreaking for Samsung because they were working hard on their next-gen Exynos chip, but because of poor yield, it's just simply not possible to have Exynos 2500 on the S25 series. In fact, even Google has dumped Samsung for TSMC for their next-gen Pixel 10 device. Now, last but not the least, we could see a powerful AI upgrade for the Galaxy S25 series with One UI 7 versions, because it's not rumored that OpenAI wants to collaborate with Samsung to integrate ChatGPT's DNA with Galaxy AI on top of Samsung's One UI 7 versions. As we know, ChatGPT is the best, if not the best AI chatbot that is out on the market. Using that framework combined with Galaxy AI features, Samsung can really up their game. This is currently in discussion, so we'll see what happens in the future very soon. So there we go. That's all the latest news regarding Samsung and the S25 Ultra. First look is here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.